Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple foolproof way to increase the speed of your Prestashop website in 2025. A faster website means happier visitors, higher sales, and better SEO. And the best part? You can do this without any complicated coding. So let's dive in. Access the admin area. First, we need to log into your Prestashop admin area. Simply go to your website URL followed by /admin and enter your credentials. Quick tip, always use a strong, regularly updated password to keep your store secure. Navigate to Settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left menu and click on Settings. From there, select Advanced Parameters and then click on Performance. This is where all the magic happens. Key performance adjustments. Inside the performance section, there are a few features you want to make sure are enabled. Image optimization, turn this on to automatically reduce image sizes without losing quality. Smaller images load faster, which means your pages will open almost instantly. Smart Cache CCC. Enable all the options here: combine, compress, and cache. This reduces the size of your CSS, JAVASCRIPT, and HTML files, making repeat visits lightning fast. Save and test. After enabling these options, don't forget to click Save. Then check your website speed using tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix to see the improvements in action. You'll likely notice a significant boost immediately. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your Prestashop website will load faster, provide a smoother user experience, and help you convert more visitors into customers. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.